Crypto can feel overwhelming, especially when people start talking about wallets. But here's the truth. A crypto wallet isn't where your coins live. It's the tool that gives you control over them. In this video, we'll break down what a crypto wallet really is, the different types available, and the key security tips to protect your funds. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick the right wallet for your needs. Let's start with a fundamental concept. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum don't actually live inside your wallet. They exist on a decentralized digital ledger called the blockchain. So, if the crypto is on the blockchain, what's a wallet for? A crypto wallet is a software program or a physical device that stores two things: your public keys and your private keys. Think of your public key as an account number or a mailing address. It's what you share with people to receive funds. Your private key, however, is like the key to that mailbox, or the PIN to your bank account. It proves you own the funds and lets you send them. Whoever holds the private key has full control over the assets. In short, a crypto wallet is a tool that creates, stores, and manages these keys, giving you secure access to your crypto on the blockchain. Nowadays, wallets come in different forms, usually grouped into two categories: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient for everyday transactions. They include web wallets, accessed through your web browser, often provided by exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. They are convenient, but rely on the security of the service provider. Mobile wallets, apps on your smartphone like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. They offer good portability for daily transactions. Desktop wallets, installed directly on your computer, offering more control but requiring you to secure your device. The main advantage of hot wallets is their convenience for quick transactions. However, because they're online, they're generally considered less secure against hacking attempts. On the other side, we have cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet. The most common type is a hardware wallet, like a ledger or Trezor. These are physical devices, similar to a USB stick, that store your private keys offline. They are designed to be extremely secure, making them ideal for storing larger amounts of crypto for the long term. Another form of cold storage is a paper wallet, where your public and private keys are printed out. While extremely offline, they are less convenient and prone to physical damage or loss. Cold wallets offer the highest level of security because they keep your private keys isolated from online threats. They are less convenient for frequent trading but are the gold standard for long-term storage. Now that you know the difference between hot and cold wallets, the big question is, which one should you use? Choosing the right wallet depends on your needs. If you're trading small amounts on a regular basis, a trusted mobile or web wallet is usually the most convenient option. But if you're holding larger investments for the long run, a hardware wallet is by far the safest choice. But regardless of your choice, security is paramount. Here are essential tips. Back up your seed phrase. This is a list of 12 or 24 words that acts as your master key. Write it down, store it in multiple secure offline locations, and never share it with anyone. If you lose your device, this phrase is your only way to recover your funds. Use strong, unique passwords. For any hot wallet or exchange account, use complex passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Beware of phishing scams. Always double-check URLs and emails. Scammers often create fake websites or send deceptive messages to steal your private keys. Keep software updated. Ensure your wallet software or hardware firmware is always up to date to benefit from the latest security patches. Remember the golden rule of crypto: not your keys, not your crypto. Owning a crypto wallet gives you true ownership and control over your assets. Understanding how they work and taking proper security measures are your first and most critical steps into the crypto world. If this video helped you understand crypto wallets better, please hit the like button, subscribe to ByteCrypto Academy for more essential crypto education, and let us know in the comments. Are you leaning toward a hot wallet for convenience or a cold wallet for maximum security? Thanks for watching, and remember, master crypto, one byte at a time.